Before the opening bell, U.S. futures rebounding after closing in the red yesterday. Indices closed it down on Thursday, pressured by shares in food and staples, retailing, energy and automobiles and component sectors. This as 60% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower or unchanged yesterday. Now taking a look at the after-hours action. We first take a look at shares of Uber Technologies losing ground before hours as UK Supreme Court ruled that Uber drivers must be considered as workers instead of independent contractors. At the same time, Deere & Company in the headlines set to jump as the company expects fiscal 2021 net income of $4.6 to $5 billion versus a previous forecast of $3.6 to $4 billion. And Dropbox in the headlines reporting quarterly earnings that were above expectations. Now, there's no major earnings expected this Friday, but on the economic docket before the opening bell, we have the release of the February market manufacturing PMI flash read, and then we also have the release of existing home sales figures shortly after the opening bell. Taking a look now at the markets, the S&P 500, that's where we begin. That sees a rebound. On to the NASDAQ composite. The NASDAQ 100 sees a rebound, and that's in focus as the relative strength index is bullish and calls for further advance. Long positions above 13,551 are favored with targets at 13,785 and 13,840 an extension. And then lastly, there's the Dow Jones intraday that happens to see a rebound.